Gavin's first official day of walking with an apple in his hand. Yeah. Look at this baby go. Look at him go. What's today? April 6th or June 6th? A little later than some, but got it down, boy. Look at him. Look at him with the apple. Sharing it with Daddy. Gavin. Yeah, boy. Yay, Gavin. Up. Oh, good job. Yay. He's so proud of himself. Yay. All by yourself, big boy. Come on. Hi. Hey.